Are you looking for budget-friendly gold coins? Which should you buy? How you doing? I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. If you're new to the channel, I'm a guy in a bucket talking about precious metals, so make sure you hit that subscribe button and get the bell notification clicked. That way you get updated with any new content. A lot of people are looking for some budget-friendly gold coins, and they're asking which should you buy right now. And it's not really that easy to answer because, I mean, let's face it, everybody has a different budget. Everybody has a different strategy when it comes to their stacking of silver and gold coins. However, over the last decade in which I have been buying gold coins, I have found certain coins are better than others when it comes to your bang for the buck, so to speak. Now, I have a variety of different gold coins, whether it be pre-33 gold, whether it be Canadian maple leafs, gold eagles, buffaloes, buffalo proofs, Mexican coinage. What else we got? We got some foreign and slabbed stuff. So a lot of different types of gold actually exist, and they all have very different uses when it comes to a stacking strategy. That being said, which gold coins are the most budget-friendly gold coins, and which should you buy? Well, I always like going for the 1 ounce gold eagles as one of my main focuses. One of the foundations of my gold stack are the 1 ounce gold eagles. The reason I like these coins, there's actually a few. One of them is that this type of gold coin is very, very common. Arguably one of the most common, most recognizable gold coins on the market today. These gold coins are 9167 fine. They are mixed with around 8 or 9% of copper and other trace metals. And that is mainly for the durability. These do have 1 ounce of gold in them, but they're not exactly the most pure. When you take this coin and you compare it to, let's say, the gold buffalo commands a higher premium. And that's because these are 24 karat gold. They're 4/9 fine. And so these are just more pure. The designs, I mean, it depends on what you're into. Some people like the classic St. Gaudens design. Some people like the classic Buffalo design. Personally, I kind of go back and forth between the two depending on the day. I do like both of them tremendously. I do always say in some of my videos that I tend to like the tone of the gold coloring in the American Gold Eagles as opposed to the gold coloring of the Buffaloes because these are a little bit more yellow. These are a little bit more of a rich orange gold color. But when it comes to the budget conscious, the 1 ounce gold coin, even though they're kind of expensive because you're buying 1 ounce of gold, when it comes to the relation of the premium to the spot price, these are actually much cheaper than if you were to go get 1/10 ounce gold eagles. So the best one, in my opinion, for bang for the buck with, when it comes to buying gold, is this gold coin right here, the American Gold Eagle. Sometimes, I will get a deal from my local coin shop where they'll say, $5 extra or 10 extra bucks, and you can have this gold buffalo. This gold buffalo proof typically commands a much higher premium than an American Gold Eagle or even a regular gold eagle. And my coin shop made me a great offer on this. If I can pop this out. Okay, well, I can't, and I'm not gonna mess with this on camera right now. Okay, I guess I am, and success. So this gold buffalo proof has more of a premium than this gold buffalo. I would never buy a gold buffalo proof on my own without getting a deal, right? If you go on, let's say, APMEX or JM or Provident or whatever, oh boy, Provident, these will command a much higher premium on them. So I typically won't buy these, but my local coin shop made me an offer. I believe they charged me either the same amount as a Gold Eagle, and so obviously I took it. I think maybe because there was like a scratch in the capsule, and it doesn't really matter. I keep it in the box. The capsule is still intact, It's not going to tone. So I went for it regardless. I don't care if there's that little nick in the cap there in the capsule. So the Buffaloes are good if you're able to get them at a price that's comparable to an American Gold Eagle. Other people do like to buy foreign gold, whether it be the gold maples, which happen to be 4.9s fine as well. I'm trying to find a 1 ounce gold maple in here somewhere. They do exist. I have them in here. If you guys, there's one right there. So these 1 ounce gold maples, they also command less of a premium than even sometimes the American Gold Eagle. Why is that? It's a good question. I think by and large, people here in the States prefer the American gold coins over the foreign gold. So that would be my guess as to why these still command a little bit of a higher premium. Gold maples, even though these are 4.9s fine, and and they're Canadian, they take less of a premium. So sometimes I will buy these Canadian maple gold coins, and I think they're beautiful, and if for the right price, if I could get them, I'll buy them. Other people like the pre-33 gold. Those of you that are familiar with pre-33 gold, it's coins that were minted pre-1933 before the Gold Act, because we don't have many more of these in existence, right? Whatever was minted before 1933, that's all there is. They're not making any more of these. I mean, they can make reproductions of them, but these are never going to be made again. So sometimes these gold coins will command a higher premium because they are more scarce. Now, yes, there's still many of them out there. They're readily available. You can get them. But coins like, let's say, the American Gold Eagle right here, and this is a St. Gaudens 1907. You could see the design there. These are being minted every single year. Millions of them every single year. These are easy to get a hold of. There's only so many of them to go around, and so every once in a while, for the right deal, I'll buy some pre-33 gold. One of my most expensive pre-33 gold coins is this Indian head right here. This Incuse Indian head there. Just a really cool coin. It was one of those that I wanted to cross off the bucket list. Some people do prefer the Mexican gold. If I could find that one. Here it is. Here it is. This is my 50 pesos gold coin. The issue with this gold coin is that it is like a little over 1.2 ounces of gold. So it's a much heftier coin. So it has a much higher premium on it. And I don't advise getting these coins unless you really have the budget. I think because these are heavier, it's a little bit more of a shock to the budget to go and buy a coin that's over 1.2 ounces of gold. So this again was like one of those bucket list types of coins. I just wanted to round out my collection. But still, like overall, with all the gold that you see here, I do prefer to get, when it comes to budget purposes, either the 1 ounce or the 1/2 ounce gold eagles. To me, I think that these are going to be your best buys. And if you are on a budget, I do recommend that you give these a shot. If you are offered, like a gold buffalo for the same price, jump on it. If you are offered, let's say, 2 1/2 ounce gold eagles for the same price as a 1 ounce gold eagle, you should jump on that too. Reason being is that you would have the fractional gold that you could sell off a little bit less than if you wanted to sell off an entire 1 ounce. And, sometimes local coin shops will cut deals like that where they'll sell you, 2 fractionals at the same price that they would sell a 1 ounce gold eagle. So you have to kind of shop around. The 1 ounce gold eagle and the 1/2 ounce gold eagle tend to be my kind of go-to gold coins. So when it comes to budget-friendly gold coins, which should you buy? I have to go with the gold eagles all the way. Let me know your thoughts down below. What are the most budget-friendly gold coins that you buy, and which should you be buying right now? And I just want to quickly thank these elite channel supporters. And if you haven't become a channel member, please check out the awesome perks and join today. With that, I'm the Stacking Stormtrooper. Check out these videos. Until next time, long live the Empire.